How to share folder or drives in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can share a folder or drive in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, navigate to your drive or folder. Once you're here, navigate to your drive again and right click on it. Here from this menu box, click on show more options, and here you will find this option as give access to. Hover your mouse over there and now go to advanced sharing. Then you will have this pop-up box in your interface. Here click on advanced sharing button. Now here at first click on the share this folder option. Now if you want to change your name, you can change it right here. After that, go to the permissions, and here you can allow full control for everyone, or if you want to allow any change, you can click that as well. There you have two options, either to allow or deny. So according to your preferences, whether you want to give full or control or not, click on allow or deny, and there is one more options to change as well. So either if you want to click allow, click on add, and if not, click on deny. Once you are done changing the settings, click on apply, then click on OK. Then you can close this. Here same, click on apply, then click on OK, and then you can close this. Again click on apply, and then you can close this drop down, and your driver or folder is now shared. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.